Hello children, good morning everybody. Today we are going to do the activity in this term 2 book. This is Sangam with Gulmohar, term 2 book, subject maths. So we'll start from page number 2. Here count and write. We are going to count and write the picture. So these are butterflies. So totally 3 butterflies are there. So you can write the number 3. 4 yacht, 7 dragonfly, 5 balls, 8 jug, 6 cups, 2 kites. In this box there is no picture, so you can write 0. 9 flowers, 10 aeroplane. Children, while writing you can count the picture, then you can write the correct answer. Then we'll go to the next page, page number 3. Here you can see 1 yacht, 3 crackers, 7 bananas. Here no picture, so you can write 0. 5 jugs, 6 cups, 9 cakes, 4 balls, 2 tortoises and 10 pencils. Again we'll go to the next page, that is page number 4. Write 1 to 10. Children, here you can see the numbers 1 to 10. First you can trace on the numbers. Again next you can write same number 1 to 10 in the empty boxes. Page number 5. Here we are going to write after and before number. Dash comes after 2. So after 2, 3. You can write here number 3. 6 comes after 5. 1 comes after 0. 7 comes after 6. 10 comes after 9. So here children you can write the after number. Dash comes before 3. Before 3 which number comes children? 2. So here you can write the number 2. 5 comes before 6. 0 comes before 1. 6 comes before 7. 9 comes before 10. Next we'll go to page number 6. Here also children you can write after and before numbers. 2 comes after 1. 9 comes after 8. 3 comes after 2. 10 comes after 9. 6 comes after 5. 8 comes after 7. 1 comes after 0. 5 comes after 4. 4 comes after 3. So here dash comes after 6. So after 6 which number comes children? 7. So 7 comes after 6. Here again before number. Dash comes before 6. Which number comes before 6 children? 5. So you can write the number 5 in the box. Same way you can find out the before number. 7 comes before 8. 2 comes before 3. 1 comes before 2. 3 comes before 4. 6 comes before 7. 4 comes before 5. 0 comes before 1. 8 comes before 9. 9 comes before 10. Again page number 7. Fill in the box. Here we are going to write the between numbers. Dash comes between 2 and 4. 2 and 4 Between which number comes, children? 3. So you can write in the box. Dash comes between 4 and 6. 5. Dash comes between 1 and 3. 2. Dash comes between 6 and 8. 7. Dash comes between 8 and 10. 9. Dash comes between 3 and 5. 4. Dash comes between 5 and 7. 6. Dash comes between 7 and 9. 8. Now I go to the page number 8. Children, here also you can write after, before and between numbers. 2 after 3. 1 after 2. 9 after 10. 0 after 1. 3 after 4. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 6 after 7. 4 after 5. Here 2 before 1. 4 before 3. 7 before 6. 1 before 0. 3 before number 2. 10 before number 9. 6 before number 5. 5 before number 4. 8 before number 7. 9 before number 8. Again here between number 1, 3 between number 2. 3 comes between 2 and 4. 7 comes between 6 and 8. 1 comes between 0 and 2. 6 comes between 5 and 7. 4 comes between 3 and 5. 9 comes between 8 and 10. 5 comes between 4 and 6. 7 comes between 6 and 8. 8 comes between 7 and 9. Next, page number 9, count and write. Children, here you can see the monkeys. Totally how many monkeys are there? You can count and write the correct number in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 monkeys are there. So in this box you can write the number 5. Now I go to page number 10. 5 and 1 make 6. You can count these pictures and write the correct number. 3 and 4 makes 7. 4 and 3 make 7. 2 and 4 make 6. 1 and 3 make 4. Next, page number 11. Dash and dash make 4. Children, you can count the picture and write the correct number in the box. Here 1 ball. So write number 1. 3 balls. 3. Totally 4. So 1 and 3 make 4. Here kites are there. 2 and 2 make 4. 4 and 1 make 5. 3 and 2 make 5. Again go to page number 12. Here you can see the picture of ice creams. Here 3 ice creams, here 2. So 3 and 2 make 5. 3 and here 3 fishes. So write the number 3. Here 2. So 3 and 2 make 5. Same way 3 plus 2 make 5. Here carrots. 4 carrots, 3 carrots. So 4 and 3 make 7. Again 4 plus 3 make 7. So children, today's activity is in this term 2 book, subject maths. You can complete page number 2 to number 12. Thank you.